Good morning, everybody. Hello, guys. Welcome to my show and presentation. My full name is Irene Amaira Wahyudisa. You can call me Irene. I am 5 years old. I study at KIT Mitra Insani 2 Kedamaian. Today, I would like to show and talk about my favorite snack at home. I have three Vision Indonesia books.